The warning shift system malfunction in your Prius may be triggered by several faulty parts in your car, and sometimes you can't even fix the vehicle without going to the dealership or repair shop. One of the most common reasons for this issue is the drop in voltage in the system. Even though the Prius has a big hybrid battery pack, it also has a small 12-volt battery which supplies the majority of onboard systems with power. Once this battery goes weak, you may face a lot of different issues and glitches. With low power, the shift control actuator and also the shift control ECU can't work properly, and the transmission goes into limp mode. You may or may not shift to drive or neutral, and you may or may not engage park, depending on the conditions and voltage level in your case. So the first thing I would do is get a load tester and check the 12-volt battery health. A weak battery should either be charged or replaced. If the battery is good, your next step is to read the codes in the transmission control module, which is only possible with a good high-end scanner or professional diagnostic software. The codes will narrow down the culprit to either the shift control actuator or the transmission control unit itself. But before you replace one of these not really cheap parts, please ask your mechanic to verify the harness is okay. The Toyota repair manuals have a certain procedure for checking the resistance between pins in the connectors, so it won't take a lot of effort and you won't need to throw money down the drain buying unneeded parts. Fortunately, replacing both the actuator and the control module is not that hard, so it won't cost you a lot of money in terms of labor.